Did you know you can make upward to $600 in less than 3 hours using Google Maps and ChatGPT? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can use ChatGPT and Google Maps to basically make upward to $600 in less than 3 hours. Guys, I've basically seen the videos and I've done the research, and this side hustle is actually legit, guys. If you are in the market of a side hustle that makes good money without putting a lot of hours in, guys, please stay for this video. In today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can take your side hustle and turn it to a passive income stream. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I've created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience in your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to talk about your side hustle that can make you upward to $600 in less than 3 hours. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience, and also allows YouTube to push this within the algorithm and allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. Today video, I'm super excited because after I'd done the research and actually seen the videos out there about this side hustle and realized that it was actually legit, I wanted to bring it to my audience ASAP. So that's what we're going to do today. Today, I'm going to explain exactly how to use ChatGPT, which is a AI tool that basically allows you to personalize and create anything under their platform. You basically just ask it to do something and it will spell out text, images, etc. So ChatGPT is the future, and it's basically allowing people to make a lot of money on the side. In today's video, I'm going to explain exactly how to do that. So the first thing that you want to do is basically have Google Maps on your phone or on a tablet or mobile device. And once you get Google Maps located, we're going to target small businesses. The small businesses that we're going to target is the businesses that's listed on Google that doesn't have the reach that they probably wanting. So what we're going to look for is basically small self-employed businesses. So that can be plumbers, electricians, that can be carpenters, that can be any type of businesses where the owner is the worker, right? Or we're going to look for businesses that's like mom and pop shops, you know, businesses that's not really understanding the importance of Google, or businesses that's just starting, or businesses that doesn't have a great presence on Google. We're going to capitalize on the lack thereof for their Google profile. So the first thing that you want to do is actually, like I said, go over to Google and basically pull up the Google Maps. That's where I'm going to do now. So right now I'm going to go over to my screen and I'm going to explain step by step on how to use ChatGPT and Google Maps to actually make this type of income. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Like I said, we're about to explore how to make money with ChatGPT and Google Maps. So as you can see on my screen, I've already pulled up Google Maps, and I was basically exploring which city I wanted to do first. So the first thing that you want to do is understand that we are looking for areas that is going to basically be small towns. Small businesses is on the radar, and that's what you're looking for. You're looking for businesses that doesn't have a good Google presence, businesses that haven't ranked well on Google for a lack of structure on their business profile. And what you're going to do is look for those businesses, market to those businesses, and make money from those businesses using ChatGPT. And I'm about to explain. So once you find out in the area where you want to look for, we are in the United States, so for example purposes, I was using the area that I'm familiar with, which is Houston, right? So, but you can literally find any area that is great for you. Actually, for the video, I'm going to look for a different area. Skip it, right? I'm going to go to Oklahoma City, mini, miny, mo, catch a tiger, bass, toe. Okay, there we go. So in Oklahoma City, we have Forest Park. Let's do Hall Park, okay? Hall Park. So what you're looking for is industries that's familiar under the self-employment umbrella, right? So those industries are any business that the owner has to work. So that is plumbers, carpenters, electricians, and it's many more. What you want to do is go over to ChatGPT, create a account with ChatGPT. And so you want to go to ChatGPT, create you an account, and once you create an account, you're going to basically open a new chat, right? The new chat, and once you get here, you're going to ask ChatGPT, I've already did here, to give an examples of businesses like plumbers. ChatGPT says certainly like plumbers, there are many small businesses across various industries. So these are the industries that they get spit out. They spit out electricians, carpenters, painters, landscapers, HVAC, movers, cleaning services, pest control, locksmiths, roofers, plasters, pet groomers, wedding planners, graphic designers, photographers, bakers, tutors, personal trainers. So we're going to do tutors, and you can choose all of these, or you can choose one specific area. The more that you are choosing, obviously the more variety you're going to be able to choose from to make more money. But in this case, we're going to choose one, and we're going to choose tutors. And the area that we selected was Hall Park, Oklahoma. What you're looking for over here is basically different businesses, but you are looking for a specific one. You're looking for a business that have low reviews or no reviews, right? So we just found two right here. So one has no reviews and one has no reviews, and one has, two has no reviews. Okay, now this is a great example. What you're going to look for is the structure of this Google account. Now, what you're going to also do is look for what is missing from this particular page. Now, all you are going to do is basically reach out to these different small businesses or freelancers and basically offer services to clean their Google profile up, right? And it's very easy, guys, and you'll be surprised how many people actually need this service and basically waiting for someone like yourself to give them a call and to help them fix the issue that they're having. A lot of people, especially these businesses like plumbers and electricians, guys, they don't know anything about Google. They know that it's important, but they don't know how it works. They don't know how to actually monetize, or not monetize it, but to actually bring in business, to rank better, to structure it properly, to make it look good. So right now, as I can see, this business is called Summer Path to Math. This is a math tutor. He doesn't have a website. He has a telephone number. He has his office hours, and he has the Longfellow Middle School. What I will recommend for him to do is add a calendar, add an option where they can set up an appointment automatically. That's free. He can add a website. Google gives you a free website on that you can place on the page as well. And basically, yeah, guys, that'll be it. Also, he already have some type of photos on here, it seemed like, and all of these people that already have been under the system should be giving him reviews. So reviews, option to schedule a calendar, and a website. These are some key factors that this business particularly can use to make his situation better. Now, what you want to do now is, now that you found the demographic that you're looking for, and you also found the industry that you want to target, next is how to contact these people. You're saying, Coach Q, I don't know how to contact these people. I don't know what to say when I get on the phone. I don't even know what to charge for this. Slow your horses. I'm going to explain everything, guys. Just stay to the end of the video. So this is what ChatGPT is going to come in at. ChatGPT is going to give you basically a foolproof assistant that's going to basically lay down all of the scripts for your sales pitch in your email email content as well. Let me explain more. So now that you are over here, go back to ChatGPT and say new chat. Now we added a new chat. I've already copy and paste this. You're going to want to write this down. I have a business where I'm helping small business to optimize their Google business profile so they can rank higher in the search results and get in front of the right people. I found several businesses that can use help to create better profiles that people are likely to use their service. I'm going to call them today. Can you help write a sales pitch that I can use when calling these businesses that is convincing and likely to get a sale? So now that they're doing that, this is the introduction. Start with a friendly greeting and introduce yourself. Okay, now while they're doing that, we're going to scroll up. Start with a friendly greeting and introduce yourself. Hi, business owner. My name is your name. I specialize in helping business like yours succeed online. Briefly mention your experience and success stories if applicable. Now, this is where you're going to make a choice to either get certified in this, or you can make the choice of basically going off experience. Now, if you do want to add this to your script, if you do have any Google certifications, you want to add it to your script, you want to basically say that I'm Google certified, I've been working in the digital marketing industry for blank, blank, blank. I have helped blank, blank, blank increase their online visibility and customer base. Now, show that you understand their pain points. Exactly. I've noticed that your Google business could use some optimization. Many businesses in your industry are struggling with the same issue. Explain how your service can solve their problems and bring value. By optimizing your Google business profile, we can make sure you appear at the top of the search results where the potential customers are looking for your services like yours. This means more visibility and more customers for your business. Now, guys, this script is actually great. It's providing value, it's identifying the problem, it's established credibility. It is doing everything that basically a good sales script needs. Now, what you're going to want to do is tweak this to make it sound like your voice and put your style on it as well. That is going to allow the sales script to sound more genuine and less robotic, and is going to help with conversions. This is going to be your bread and butter, guys. Now what you want to do is ask Google. You're going to save this, then you're going to save this, and then you're going to say, how much should I charge for? Determine the right price for your Google business profile optimization service can be a bit of a challenge. Market research what other similar services, blah, 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 blah. Ultimately, the right price for Google optimization should reflect the value you provide, cover your costs, and allow you to run a profitable business. Be prepared to adjust your prices over time as you gain more experience and insights into what works best for your target market. So from my research last time, this is a different answer, but last time I did this, it said between $300 to $1,000. Those prices is very conservative because I've seen businesses pay a lot more than that. But like it said at the bottom, be prepared to adjust your pricing over time and as you gain more experience and insights into what works best for your target market. So guys, what I would do is basically make sure that your target market is airtight. Make sure that you are hitting all cylinders and knowing what your market needs and how to solve their problem. Tweak the script as much as you can to make sure that you are answering the questions, because what I've noticed from these scripts is when you have a script and you're just reading it, they're going to ask you questions that's not in the script. Now, those questions ultimately and eventually needs to go into the script, right? Because you are basically going to answer all of the questions before they even get a chance to ask them, and that will help with your conversion as well. Now, guys, if you charge $300 on the low end and get two people in less than 3 hours, guys, it don't take you a long time to go over the script and write the script, or to get someone on the phone and give your script out. If you're basically calling between 20 to 30 people an hour and you converting even 1 to 2 people, guys, that is $600 in less than 3 hours, and it only gets better from there. This is a great side hustle that anyone can do. You can do it while you're working. You can do it on the side if you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or something like that. You can use this side hustle as well. I've seen a lot of people to actually go into this industry, which is online reputation management, and make a lot of money and clean up, guys, without quitting a day job or basically changing anything in their lifestyle. Guys, let me know in the comment section if this video has helped you at all. Let me know if you have tried this, if you have heard about this. Let me know if you are going to start this. I want to know the journey, guys. Keep the journey in the comments and let me know exactly any type of questions you guys may have going forward, because this is going to be a hot market, guys. Let me know in the comment section. But to go forward, before I end, I want you to know how to basically collect the money. So you can collect the money multiple ways. The most professional way is a company called Fiverr, right? Fiverr is going to be the company that you are going to be able to hire so many people to do so many different jobs, and you're going to be the person that wants to be hired. So you're going to go to Fiverr, you're going to sign up, and when you sign up for Fiverr, you're going to basically put on the description that you are a online reputation management professional, and that way someone agreed to basically sign up for your services. You can send them your Fiverr link, or a company called Upwork, sign up with them as well, and basically put all your credentials and your information during the sign up process. Is really simple. Or you can sign up or give them a PayPal link as well. But you don't want to call random businesses and give them, a cash app. You want to give them the most professional way during the checkout process to give them the ultimate confidence to disregard buyer's remorse. Okay, guys, let me know in the comment section